In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently replace text in a document using a few simple steps. This feature can be incredibly useful for situations where you've repeated certain text and need to update it consistently throughout your document, saving you both time and effort. Let's dive right in and go through the process together. To start, make sure you're in your document and navigate over to the Home tab. Once you're there, look for the Editing group, which might seem like a small section at first glance, but it houses a powerful tool that can significantly streamline your document editing process. Here, you want to find and click on the option labeled Replace. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts or just want to speed things up, you can also press Ctrl and the letter H on your keyboard simultaneously to open the same dialog box. Once the dialog box appears, you'll see a few fields you need to populate. The first one, titled Find What, is where you enter the text you're hoping to locate in the document. This could be anything from a word, a phrase, or even a specific character string that you know is repeated and that you want to replace. Carefully input that text, ensuring it's exactly as it appears in the document to ensure accuracy in your search. Next up is the Replace With field. Here, you'll type in the new text that you wish to use as a replacement. This is the text that will essentially take the place of what you input in the Find What field. Make sure to double-check your spelling and formatting so that your replacements are flawless and ready to go. Now, after these fields are filled out, you've got a few choices for how you want to proceed. If you'd like to see where each instance of your text occurs before making any changes, click Find Next. This will highlight each occurrence one by one, giving you the chance to review them individually. Once you've located an instance, you can choose to click Replace. This command changes the current highlighted occurrence to your new text, allowing you total control to replace each term one at a time should you want to review each instance as you go along. Alternatively, if you're sure and confident with the changes and want to apply them across your entire document instantly, you can hit Replace All. This command will automatically replace every occurrence of your specified text throughout the document, ensuring that everything is updated swiftly and consistently. Remember, before making batch changes, it's always good practice to review your text first, or even create a backup of your document just in case you need to roll back any changes. Now, you should be all set to make your document editing more efficient than ever. Happy editing!